Shoulder barbell press is one of the best exercises you can do to develop your shoulder muscles, and when you have well developed shoulder muscles, they actually give you a tapered look, which actually makes your waist to look smaller. So some of the key factors I consider before I do shoulder barbell press is the bench angle. So I normally incline, not at 90 degrees exactly, but I drop it a little bit to somewhere about 85 degrees. And that makes my shoulder joints to feel quite okay while I'm doing the exercise without feeling any friction. The bar grip is another thing, that is how wide I hold on the bar. So normally I would just place my arms outside my shoulders and then I move something like 2 to 3 inches outside, and that feels like a very good place for me to press. I normally do like 4 sets. So my first set is like a warm-up, then the 3 sets that follow that are working sets. So the working sets are actually 3, which will be 15 repetitions, 12 and 10. The load or weight that I put on the bar is primarily determined by the number of repetitions that I want to do. So if I want to do 10 repetitions, like in this set, I will pick a weight that allows me to do 10 repetitions and reach to failure or almost failure. Training frequency, I train my shoulders twice per week. On each session, I train 3 exercises, so total per week is 6 exercises. Other factors you might want to consider is recovery, which means you have to get enough sleep, and also your nutrition has to be on point.